Hello, this is Renee Photography here, and today I'm going to be talking about how to use the AI removal in Photoshop. Many of you have been asking about how to remove certain objects in Photoshop, whether it's niches, colors, or people. So I put together a quick tutorial on how to do that. It's very, very, very easy. So the first thing you're going to want to do is import your photo into Photoshop. So hit the File button and then hit Open, and then select the photo you want to enter into Photoshop and then hit Open again. The next thing you're going to do is create a duplicate of this layer. So Control J to duplicate it. And once you do that, you'll select the lasso tool up here to the top left. And you will select just a very rough outline of the thing that you want to delete. So in this case, I want to delete this person's half body here. I don't like to do micro sections, so I don't just remove his arm or his leg or part of his leg. I do all of it because I feel AI does a better job removing things that way. And then you're just going to type the word remove. Sometimes you can just leave it blank. I like to do remove and see what it does. Then you hit the word generate fairly fast, so it just depends on the type of computer you have. Then you can kind of filter through and figure out what kind of works best for you. The grass kind of looks janky there, so I probably wouldn't use that one. That one's okay. That one kind of matches this one, so I'll probably use that one and then just clean up these little wisps later on. This is just a generic idea of how to use AI removal. You can further refine things later on. It's totally up to your preference, but this is just a generic idea of how to remove things. I like to use the Firefly image 1. I find the image 3 sometimes is iffy, like it doesn't do a very good job removing some stuff and it kind of gets very blotchy. So I always use image 1. I have yet to try this Firefly fill and expand. So yeah, that's basically the gist of how you remove things in Photoshop using AI removal. You can continue to remove things, whether it's leashes, colors, people. It's all the same process. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys use the AI removal a bit better in Photoshop, and I hope that you have fun editing your photos.